YouTube family, what is poppin', gang? I'd like to welcome you guys right back to the channel, man. I know it's been a minute since y'all seen this ugly face of mine. For the holidays, I was just with the fam, kicking it, kind of got caught up in it. I did record some content, I just haven't put it out yet, though. But my main purpose for this year is to be 2025, man, hella consistent. One thing about me, when I'm slowing down, I'm slacking, I tend to have a check-in with myself. So I'm gonna tell you something, like if you ever, whatever goal you want in life, whatever you're trying to approach, whatever you're trying to get to, if you feel like, ain't nothing wrong with having a check-in and to sit down with yourself. Basically what I did. So with that being said, y'all, we are back. Shout out to y'all, happy new year to y'all. Thank y'all once again for supporting me. I love y'all. But the goal is not finished, the mission ain't finished. We 10K on the way, like as I said previous video. So let's get to it. Today we are going to stop by Poloralphlauren. They are having a 40% sale today. We're gonna go in there and check and see what all they have in there. But we're gonna shoot to GRAPEVINE today, one of my favorite Ralph Lauren stores in the state of Texas. Well, in the Dallas Metroplex, that area. We're gonna go in here and see what they have today. So y'all stay tuned, and if you haven't already, y'all make sure y'all check your emails. They do have a 40% off coupon. Use those coupons, man. I'm telling you, those coupons will save you a lot of money, because sometimes you can tax that coupon on to whatever sale they have going on in the store. And with that being said, you all, we just finna go in this year. Way more content coming. What I'm gonna try to do is try to go out the state and see what other things they have, because sometimes, a lot of times, I'll shop in these stores and it be certain things that they have, other states have them. This year I'm gonna try to go and run a lot of those products down. So once again, man, I say thank y'all for tuning in, rocking with your boy. I hope y'all enjoy this video. Let's get to this store and get to shopping. All right, you guys, as you can see, we did secure the bag today at Polo. So let's get into these items. The first one we're gonna get into is this denim button-up shirt right here. I know y'all like me, you know what made you go denim. We'll get to that in a second. Just a plain denim button-up, you know why it's cold out. Polo horse right here on it. And I got this with this shirt was 30% off. And I cannot remember what it came up to. The regular price tag was $125, but I definitely did pay $125. Got it with 30% off, as you can see. Regular shirt, regular. And it has the brown on the horse right here. And we incorporated that, so let you guys see that right there. Now let's get into the next item. The next item is this vest right here. The tan brown vest is regular. And the difference was they did 30% on the regular wear and 40% sale on the outerwear. Now this vest right here is a medium. Now these vests, if you don't know, these vests run extremely big. But this right here is a medium. I did end up ordering a large. I just got a medium for the video. Just a regular vest. Now let me show y'all how I'm gonna coordinate this outfit with this vest. So you guys can see this is how the outfit will look together. And with the vest over. Now, like I said, I did order, these vests run so big. This is a medium, but I did end up, I did end up ordering a large. So, as you can see, dope. And let me show you guys the sneakers I'll be pairing up with this outfit. And sneakers we will be pairing up with this are these Air Jordan 6. These denim joints right here. And you can see this shoe has a little brown right here in the front. I really wish this vest would have been a little darker, but you get the concept with the denim and the brown on here. So, and I actually tried to look around and find a vest that was probably this color. Well, this color on the sneaker right here. Couldn't find one. It's kind of like the darkest that they had. Well, they had a darker brown vest, but it was way too dark to threw the outfit off. But I feel like this tan will fit right in with this denim on the sneaker. So, y'all comment down below. Y'all let me know if y'all like this fit. Once again, man, I appreciate y'all once again for tuning in to your boy, man. Thank each and every one of y'all. If you haven't already, go ahead, like this video, comment down below with like what you seen in the store that you may like or what you already have. And just comment on this outfit right here alone. Maybe if you own any of these items already, like I say, comment, let me know. Until next time, man, I appreciate you guys. I'm out.
Riding in the car, you probably can't even pronounce. Shawty got that ass, my tracks will truly make it bounce. Home run, hit her for the hometown. In the long run, killing with my own sound. Niggas vibes are out because I'm on now. Way up and I stay up like a drone now. Can't say sorry if I hit you with the mix. It's probably cause you hit me with the switch. Hey, K-Man clubbing every time we hit the Ville. Chop a can and twist the baby girl, just wanna